Right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the two Evotech cases that you see here in front of you. Now this is their Eco Series cases for the Samsung Galaxy S21, as you can see there. Now these are 100% recycled, environmentally friendly woven fabric surface cases is how they put it on their website. But every company tends to be moving towards this like recycled, eco-friendly style case made from reclaimed plastic from the ocean. So, you know, at the end of the day, great. If they can make cases from recycled materials, hey, I'm all for it. Great, why not? As long as they actually work and, you know, do what they're supposed to do, of course. Now, these cases only come in two colors, so I got both here. Evotech was kind enough to send these out for my unbiased opinion and review. These are gonna run you around 29 bucks. So if you do wanna buy this case, you should be able to buy it on Amazon, which if I can find it on Amazon, I will link my affiliate links down in the description. If not, I'll at least link Evotech's website as well. So if you do want to buy one of these, you can go and check them out. Now, one thing that they do tout on their website, which I found fairly interesting, is that it does say that the case is washable. Now, I don't know about you, but I've never washed a phone case before. Now, with this being a fabric case, maybe that's a different story. But even with fabric cases that I've had from like OnePlus, I've never washed the phone case. So that is interesting. And then another thing that's interesting on their description on the website is it says that it does support MagSafe charging and Qi wireless charging, which obviously Qi wireless charging, I assumed. But the MagSafe thing, to bring that up was kind of odd because, to be honest with you, more than likely if you own a Samsung device, you probably don't have an iPhone. I happen to have an iPhone just because I do case reviews for it and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, like, I wouldn't use my MagSafe charger on my S21. Just really doesn't make any sense. But either way, they do say that as well. So enough about all that. Let's go ahead and dive into actually checking these cases out and seeing what they look like. So first things first, as far as the packaging goes, it's this cardboard, just pretty simple packaging, nothing fancy. Evotech branding here, the recycle logo there. On the back, you do have just a little bit of info on the back here about the Eco Series. So it's, just saying here at Evotech, materials matter, blah, 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 blah. Made with ocean waste, second life for single-use plastics. So once again, really touting all of the green and eco-friendly stuff, safe to recycle, and no compost necessary. And then it does say here that you do get a 1-year limited warranty. And of course, you can go to evotech.com or follow them on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Now let's go ahead and get these out. So as far as unboxing goes, it's really simple. You just slide it out and pop out. So there's the black one. And then let's go ahead and do the gray. And the gray. So there is both of the cases. So as you can see here, they are a fabric style case. Got Evotech branding here at the bottom. The black is more of like a really dark heather gray, but it is black technically. But like I said, depending on the way you look at it, it does look a little like more of like a charcoal heather. And then the gray is a very, very light gray. In person, it does look like a very light gray, but sometimes you could mistake it as a white case, but it's definitely gray. Hopefully the video is doing that color justice, but it is gray. Now, as far as the inside goes, as you can see here, this is what you got here. So it's a fabric, like a microfiber type of felt material. So it feels very, very good. So this is what's going up against your phone. Obviously, it does say protected by technology here, designed by Evotech USA. But then as you can see here, it is just a very simple, slim case. So, this is definitely not a case that's gonna just be a monster to be able to protect your phone from major drops. It will do it just like minor bumps and stuff like that, but nothing big. But like I said, there is no extra like protection in here or anything like that. The corner does look like it might be reinforced just a tad bit, but like I said, I'm not gonna trust this to protect my phone from some big drops. And then just to show you the interior of this one, it's the same material, just gray. has the same protected by technology there inside. So let's go ahead and grab my gray, Phantom Gray S21. And since I am more of a fan of black cases, let's do the black one first. And so there is the case on the actual phone. So there's what it looks like there. So looks pretty good. You know, if you're a fabric case fan, it does remind me a lot of the Google Pixel case. So that's a compliment. You know, I've always been a fan of fabric style cases because obviously they're fingerprint resistant, no smudges or anything like that. They're sweat resistant basically and all that. So at the end of the day, it does feel pretty dang good in the hands. Like I said, you do have the Evotech branding there. You do have the cutout here like this for your camera bump, which is exactly the same style that is just cut out only for the camera bump. And then this little cutout there for the actual flash. Now, as far as the raised lips go, it is technically recessed in there just a little bit. So it is gonna help protect your camera bump and lenses from, you know, maybe like table scratches and things like that. So if you do place it back down on any type of surface, it is fairly flat. There is actually no shake at all. So it is a very flat design on the back, as you can see here. Slightly rounded edges. So definitely you do feel that when you're holding it. But as you can see here, as far as the design goes, you do have a complete cutout here for your volume up and down button and your power button here. And as you can see there, you do have a little bit of a gap opening there. I will admit the case is fairly loose on the phone. So that is my only like gripe about this particular case. It's not super snug. Like when I can just pop it out that easy, I'm never a huge fan of that. But at the end of the day, I mean, it technically does the job. But like I said, you do see the complete exposure there of the buttons, and then wrapping around to the bottom, it is completely cut out there as well. So you do have a complete opening here for your SD card slot, the mic, the USB Type-C port, and your speaker grill there. And then go on to this side, obviously it's completely the fabric style side. And then at the top, you do have two dedicated cutouts for the microphones up top. As far as the front goes, as you can see here, I mean, really doesn't have any front lips on the front of the case, to be honest with you. I mean, it does technically, but like I said, I mean, this is not just going to be some just rugged style case that's going to protect it from major drops, but it does have enough of a lip where you can place it face down. And I do feel the actual fabric style case on the table right now, so I think it's going to do just fine. The cutout there, as you can see there too, is a little suspect in my opinion, as you can see there. So it's just kind of, I don't know, it's just weird. Yeah, I don't know. But like I said, once again, my biggest gripe is just the snugness of the case. Like I can literally just pop it out like without any issue, and that's it. I mean, it's very easy to get out. So that's a bummer, but let's go ahead and grab the gray one and pop it in so you can at least see the gray. So there's the gray and how it looks on the Phantom Gray phone. So like I said, same thing, same cutout, same wonky cutout right there. So kind of weird. But once again, though, you do have that cutout there for the flash. You can kind of just see the phone case real quick on the phone. Same cutout there, same looseness there. But like I said, just all around, you can just kind of see the fabric, all that. But like I said, there's the gray. So not too shabby. Now let's go ahead and just for fun, let's go ahead and just knock out the wireless charging test. So definitely passes the Qi wireless charging test. I didn't think it wouldn't. It is a very slim and thin case, so I naturally assumed it would. I'm not going to do the clicky button test because obviously it's just my regular buttons, so those are going to be just fine. But with this particular case, like I said, it is very just easy to pop off. I mean, there is no resistance, and that's kind of the bummer of this case. You know, so for me, can I recommend this case? Yes and no. You know, it's just a bummer, you know. I mean, I wish I could just say definitively, yeah, go run out and buy this case, because I am a fan of Evotech cases, but it's just unfortunate that the just the snugness of this case is just so suspect. And then, like I said, then when you put it in the case and just kind of see like these weird lines and everything, it's really hard just to say, hey guys, run out and go buy this. So, but at the end of the day, maybe it's just these particular ones that I got. I don't know why there's like some random glitter or something on it now. But either way, $29.99 if you want to go buy it, guys. If you do have this phone case, let me know if you have it for the S21 or the Plus or the Ultra, because I am very curious to find out that maybe just these cases that they sent me, maybe it's just my cases, but that's kind of just odd that my cases that they sent me both are doing that. But I have to imagine you can probably find another fabric case on Amazon that's cheaper, but at the end of the day, hey, they're not terrible. So hit that like button, guys, if you liked the video. If you loved it, obviously sub and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. But be safe out there, guys, and we will see you on the next one.